Hi guys, happy Sunday. Well, happy National Polka Dot Day. Happy Minnie Mouse Day. Rock the dots. We are here at Disneyland and it is pouring rain. I was just driving by Disneyland on the way home and I was like, we should stop. Basically, why is a rainy day the best day to go to Disneyland? Yeah, 20% crowd index, people. So, found this in the car. We are headed to the parks right now. Everything looks super empty, including the parking lot. So let's go see what we can go on. We're only gonna be here for a couple of hours. We wanna eat and go on some of our favorite rides. Maybe see Minnie Mouse for National Polka Dot Day. And yeah, just a quick fun trip on our way home from San Diego. Enjoy. You guys, how long has it been since I've been here? Look, they actually did it. I heard that they were going to, but look, security check is already by the cars. I thought this was happening much later. And that is actually a brilliant, beyond brilliant idea. I'm so happy they did this. Because then also if you need to put something back in your car, you don't have to take the tram back. Like, hello. All you have to do is just go right back upstairs to your car. You guys, this makes so much sense. Goodness. You guys, I have not been to the sprinkles here at Disneyland yet, and I swear I thought it was at the end by the new Starbucks, but it's not. Ooh, let's get in here. Oh, look at all this stuff. Minnie, I'm finding it at the vault. Here we go.
Was it happy over today?
Hey guys, I just got into the gallery. Got my Rock the Dots Minnie Mouse pen. And I've actually been buying a lot of artwork lately. Just bought a bunch at Otakon. Kind of in the mood to buy more. Let's check it out. And I have my camera out in the rain. Not a good idea, but I just renewed my pass and they were so wonderful about everything and it all sorted out and I got that 13 months for 12 and now we're gonna go inside Disney and sit inside and eat lots of food. It is pouring rain. Oh my God, and we caved and we bought ponchos. Spent $8 on a poncho. Okay, bye guys. Guys, welcome to my super attractive eating habits. I'm wearing white, I didn't want to get dirty. I got the chili cheeseburger from the Hungry Bear cafe place, what are we gonna call it? Hungry Bear. Chili cheeseburger with onion rings inside. And I'm kind of debating on whether I should get the, what is it called? The churro funnel cake. That sounds amazing. It is pouring rain. My clothes were so wet that even though I'm cold, I had to take them off because it's just so damn wet. I was soaked. And I can't really feel my fingers. But there's a 5-minute wait for everything, so it's like, I mean, you know, is it worth it? Yes. My messy burger. It's so good. So good. And I got a water. Ah. And it is raining out there. This hasn't been one of those fun Southern California rains where it only rains for an hour and then it stops. And even though the news was like, it's gonna rain all day, usually it breaks, like even for 20 minutes. I'm all wet, sorry. There's been no breaks whatsoever. It's just still pouring, pouring, pouring. So we're freezing. My toes, my feet are completely soaked. So, even though I thought this was gonna be the best day ever, it still is, because it is quite hilarious actually. So it's still fun, neat. But we're way too wet, so we're gonna head home and I will document more when we're in a nice car and all warm. Okay, time to go back in the rain now. Hey guys, we are in the car, almost home now. It has been a very scary ride home. So much rain. This is like not the typical LA rain at all. It's a storm. I didn't believe it when they said it because that just doesn't happen here. Duh. But I think if it wasn't raining this hard, we would have definitely been able to stay longer, but everything was completely drenched. Like pants, socks, like jackets. My purse was soaked, like everything in it is wet. I don't even know how. I had a poncho on. It's just so wet. And so we were leaving and we were going up the escalator and people were coming down and I was like, don't go down, no. I was telling everybody to turn around and they weren't listening to me and they were like, we're gonna be fine, we have our umbrellas. It's not gonna be okay, you guys. It wasn't enough. But I do hope that everyone did have fun. And everyone's staying warm, and it really sucks because it was Rock the Dots mini day, and I'm really glad I didn't. I was gonna wear a dress today, and I couldn't find my Minnie Mouse dress, so I was like, okay, I'll wear the Rock the Dots shirt I got last year, and I'm really glad I did because I would have been wearing a dress right now, thinking that the rain wouldn't have been too bad. So I'm really glad that I couldn't find it, and yeah, that's about it. I hope everyone has had a wonderful day and you were able to represent some polka dots today, a little bit at least, I hope. And stay dry out there, LA, because this rain is not the business. Okay, stay safe, stay dry. Bye.